This bench is ideal for a busy working environment or used individually for a particular task, as relevant tools and items can be stored beneath the working area. Its frames are pierced to be height adjustable and provide 3 levels of shelving. Wide-based feet make the unit strong and secure, and an 18mm chipboard worktop on each level provide a tough and long-lasting solution. All components are supplied ready for self-assembly. Attach the foot to the bench upright, tap the support bars to assemble the end frame. Fit the rear support to the end frames and create the bench framework. Attach end caps and drop the chipboard shelf onto the unit. A large weight capacity and adjustable shelving heights makes the bench versatile, and it can be assembled with just a mallet.